My name's Barbie, and I bought this product for my father who's 90 years old, but he's not a typical 90-year-old. He climbed Mount Kilimanjaro at 83. He climbed a base camp at Nepal about 85.
Wow.
He's an avid kayaker and has kayaked North and South Pole, but I see him in pain with his knee and his back, and I wanted to do something so he can enjoy his world travels. And I wasn't sure about this product, but loving my dad, I bought it for him, and I see him use it at night, and the fact that he can take it with him on his trips is amazing, and the fact that he's using it means it must be doing something worthwhile for him, or he wouldn't be using it.
Yeah.
So I want to say thank you for helping my dad continue to have a joyful retirement.
Awesome. And then what would you recommend for anybody else that's maybe on the fence, doesn't know if they should maybe get one or not get one? What would you recommend?
I would say, honestly, he doesn't do anything that doesn't work. And so if it didn't work, he would give it back to me and say, this is no good. And so I can honestly say this is not somebody who's sitting in a rocking chair. This is a very active athlete, even though he's 90. And so if it works for him, it can work for you.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Visit us at zarifausa.com.